This is called the Chivandudzo zither, and as you can see, it's kind of a harp-shaped instrument. There are 10 strings, and with some guitar tuning pegs over here, and sort of this board where the strings, the bridge, and these little dividers are all placed. And then there's this box part where the resonance of the instrument, this way it gets amplified, right, through the sound hole. And then with this bridge here that is a bit up. It used to be down here, but the sound was a little low, so brought the bridge up to C, and I think it has a much brighter sound. You don't play these strings. They're just kind of in the space. Although, it's an interesting thing you could do with those strings. If you wanted. And then you play this the same way you would play the Inangare Zimbabwe, in that you are using a mbira playing technique. And you can play, all your traditional songs, because it's laid out like the right hand of your mbira, or like how a marimba is set up. So let me play a song.